Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and heading straight to Settings, Security. Once there, inspect the listed two-step verification methods so you know what to remove. This prevents lockout. If you don't have access to the linked phone or email, pause now and recover those channels first. Make sure backup codes are saved or printed, because once you remove a method, you might need them. This step limits risk and prepares you for the actual removal process that follows. You now remove specific verification entries by selecting the method, SMS, Authenticator app, or email, and choosing Remove. When prompted, verify your identity with the sent code or use a saved backup code. This proves you're the account owner. Once removed, watch the confirmation message and note which methods remain active. If you have multiple methods, keep at least one enabled for security. This middle phase is about doing each removal deliberately. Once done, log out and log back in to confirm that you can access the account and that removed methods no longer prompt. If anything fails, re-enable another verification method immediately or restore from backup codes. Make sure to store new backup codes in a secure place and update contact info if you changed numbers or email. If you get locked out, use Roblox account recovery and provide proof of ownership. This single troubleshooting tip can save hours if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.